Snowball is a lovely white kitten. Snowball was prowling around the kitchen, hoping to find some leftover treats, when she noticed an old, mysterious teapot. It looked ordinary, but something about it felt strange. Curious, she gently tapped it with her paw. Poof! A cloud of steam burst out, and suddenly, a teapot genie appeared. Meow! Snowball jumped back in shock. "Welcome to Teapot Magic Time," the genie grinned, twirling his wand. "Would you like to try being tiny?" Before Snowball could react, the genie gave a quick flick of his wand. Swoosh! Suddenly Snowball felt lighter, and then bam! She had shrunk to the size of a teacup. Meow! Snowball panicked as she looked around. Everything was gigantic. The butter knife was as long as a bridge, the spoon looked like a slide, and the teapot towered over her like a castle. To make things worse, her little human was walking into the kitchen. If he saw a mini-sized Snowball, he would think a toy had come to life. "Relax," the teapot genie chuckled. "All you need to do is find a magic tea leaf and brew a restoration tea, and you'll be back to normal." Snowball took a deep breath and bravely climbed over a sugar jar, jumped across a mountain of flour, and finally spotted a glowing tea leaf. The genie quickly brewed the tea. Snowball gulped it down in one sip. Poof! She returned to her normal size. Phew! That was close. Snowball sighed in relief. "Want to try another spell next time?" The genie winked. Snowball twitched her whiskers and shook her head. "Maybe next time."